Hey gun nuts, it's your man homeboy Tactical and Sporting back out here on the range. As you can tell, it's a very windy day out here. You see the trees and everything blowing. Anyway, came out here today because I want to run some Winchester steel case, some Federal brass and Federal aluminum case. It's all 115 grain ammo, full metal jacket, and then I got these 135 grain hollow points from I believe they're Federal as well. They're Hydro Shocks, 135 grain. Just want to run some of those through. CZ P10-C. I'm gonna switch angles here in a minute because I had an issue with this gun that made me want to come out here and do this ammo test. That really disappointed me with this gun. Basically what was happening was I was at home, I had the gun completely empty, it was freshly cleaned. Actually it was a couple of days, maybe about a week off of cleaning. And I was just racking the slide back and forth real aggressively, simulating fire, but you know, without the gook, the powder and the carbon and all that stuff. And the slide locked. It was closed, but it locked on me. I couldn't open the slide, I couldn't rack the gun, anything. So due to that, I'm still carrying my Taurus PT-111 G2 because that gun's never done that to me, but this gun has done that. So if it fails or it locks while I'm running ammo through it, maybe it'll go back to CZ, maybe it'll be gone. We'll figure it out. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to recreate that situation for you. So try to recreate it. So all I was doing was this. There it is. See that? So what I have to do is I have to act like I'm getting ready to take the gun down, pull the trigger, cock it slightly open, pull the takedown tabs down. That'll release the slide a little bit, and I can rack it again. See if I can do it again for you, just to make sure I'm not fluking it, or my glove's not getting caught in the slide. See that? I don't know. Has anybody ever had this problem out there? You guys experienced anything like this? Let me know, is this a break-in issue, or maybe my guide rod is faulty, or what's going on? I like this gun, I do, but I won't base my safety on it. I'm still carrying my Taurus PT-111 G2 in my Vedder holster system. 20 round Met Guard magazine for backup. So 33 rounds of hollow points on me at all times, not too bad. This is disappointing though. You gotta make sure you pull the trigger or it doesn't work that good. Alright, let's go ahead and take a couple of shots with the hollow points and see how we do with it. I'm gonna do a review on these. A couple of you guys asked me about them. They're the Howard Light Impact Sports microphone ear protection. Pretty cool. I like them. It enhances everything around you really, really good. All right. I'm gonna go ahead and take some shots. The hollow points first. We'll run these out, see how she does. All right, so that was actually 14 hollows. No malfunctions. Let's keep it going, see how it goes. I'm gonna load up both mags. 15 rounds, 15 rounds. I'm gonna run one magazine, just kind of steady popping off shots. The other mag is gonna be, try to just dump as fast as I can. I'm gonna run the dirty Winchester steel case through first. Just wanna make sure I don't get any problems. It's nothing like buying a brand new gun that you've been salivating over for a year and researching and everything, and then getting it home and it just doesn't do what you want it to do, or it's not performing to the way you expect it to perform. Very frustrating scenario. So what I'm probably gonna do is just load this first mag up. I'll do the shooting, and then I'll stop the video and just spare you guys. I have to listen to me babble on about stuff to fill the video with. Had me nervous for a little while, man. I was thinking, spend all this money on this gun. I've been researching this gun, and it's not even letting me play with the slide lock. All right. Ah, look at this. Looks like it may have been a failure. Oh no, the slide is locked. Pull the trigger. All right, I don't know. This may be an ammo issue. Kind of hard to say. It doesn't look like this round is flushed in all the way. Better save that one. Oh, nope. Light primer strike. Probably from the slide not being able to close all the way on the... Oh man, I don't know about this. Kind of makes me feel like I should have stuck with my old, ugly, faithful girlfriend, Glock. It's like that girlfriend you had. She's not that cute, but she's always by your side. She's always there for you. Even if you cheat on her, she still takes you back. So now, hopefully my new girlfriend works. All right, so that was 15 rounds of Winchester. I did have that one hiccup. Looks like a light primer strike. So we'll try to load up some more and see what else we can do here. So I was going through some motions, just firing off some shots. You see that? I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's a failure to eject. So I don't know if it's the steel case ammo. That's the one I had the issue on before. But yeah, it looks like it didn't pull that round out of the chamber. Now I know with steel cased ammo, the brass and the aluminum is a lot softer metal. So what happens is the brass and aluminum will expand, keep gases from going around the side of the casing and out the back of the barrel, while metal doesn't tend to expand as much as aluminum and brass. So I don't know, this gun's gonna have to get used to a variety of ammo if it's gonna stay with me, because I shoot a variety of ammo depending on what my pockets are looking like. You know what I mean? So we'll see. We're gonna do 15 rounds of the Winchester steel case. Just gonna rapid fire them out, see how that does, all right? All right, gun nuts. So now I got the Federal brass cased ammo, 15 rounds of kind of plinking shots, and then I'm gonna do another 15 round rapid, see if we can cause that lockup. All right. All right, got the last two magazines here. It's the aluminum cased, Federal, 115 grain. I wish I had some Tula, but I don't have any Tula ammo out here. But so far I'm all right with it. I'm okay. So we'll go ahead and cycle these through. Hopefully we don't have any malfunctions, and I'm gonna go ahead and run the rest of the ammo through the gun off camera. I just wanted to do 2 mags in front of you guys so you can see what happens. But I was going to be really disappointed if this gun locked up on me. We haven't completed the test yet, so I should be quiet. All right. Alright, so that is 2 mags of each. Two mags of each. I guess I'm okay. I mean, I don't know. Like I said, this still could be a break-in thing. Still could be something that happens. If somebody knows anything about this, why it does that, but let me know in the comments. But I didn't think it would do it. And the grip. Remember I was saying about how aggressive this grip was? Hasn't really bothered me too much. I've been able to shoot all those rounds, and I know the marks are there, but the discomfort is not there that I was anticipating. So I guess I can keep my boxes on and not have to wrap them around the grip handle. But thank you guys for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. Please let me know something about this gun. The CZ P10-C. Don't forget to check us out on Instagram, Facebook, my Twitter. Usually I follow you back. If you guys follow me, I'll go on there and check it out. I just don't really do too much on the Twitter account, so it may be going away. But once again, gun nuts, thank you. God bless you. Happy shooting.